Hey, how you doing? No live stream today as I'm on the road, but I just thought I would give you a quick Fusion 360 tip, hopefully for making up for it. So let's jump inside of Fusion. So this is for cam users. So when you go to simulate your cam inside of Fusion 360, you go into the simulation space, you hit the play button, and you can speed it up a little bit, kind of like you start seeing your toolpath here. Now eventually you get to a point where you start seeing some details. Did you know this trick? Hit the pause button right down here for your simulation. And did you know that anywhere now on the screen in kind of like the white area, if you hold down your left mouse button, and start dragging side to side, you can actually play backward and forward the toolpath. This is extremely handy when you kind of get into the smaller details. You really want to see something up close. Hold down your left mouse button with the toolpath paused, and then hold down your left mouse button, and now you can go back and forth and you can control the tool movement. I hope you find this helpful. Have an awesome day. Thank you.